Hi students, today we start a new session on grammar topic verbs. What are verbs? Verbs are action words. Verbs are action words. Hope you remember nouns. So what are nouns? Nouns are naming words. They are the names of person, place, animal, thing, and one more thing is there, feelings. That you will feelings about feelings you will learn in the higher class. Now, what we see around us are person, place, animal, and thing. Except place, all the above nouns move frequently and we use different names to identify the actions. When you observe any noun, just like person, animal, thing, especially person and animal will be moving frequently. From every moment they will have some actions on their body. The movements of nouns are called actions. We call the movements of nouns as actions. The words show the actions are termed as action words. In English grammar, the action words are called verbs. In English grammar, we call these actions or action words as verbs. The spelling of verb is V-E-R-B, verb. But we pronounce R as silent, so verbs. The action words will change according to that time. See, you will see somebody doing some action in front of you, but after some time they will change the action. Action will get over and the same person will be doing some other action. So observe the action which is in front of you and you can see what is happening with those actions. Okay, so example, walk, run, eat, drink, read, write, fly, jump, bathe, play, laugh, help, push, pull, cook, call, dance, sing, wash, study, listen, sit, stand, sleep, and so on. You can see many other actions if you observe any noun in front of you. Okay. Now, how do we learn these action words, verbs? You can observe any noun and say the name of the actions like this. See, how do we say walk, run, all those words you can say like that. Okay, only the action word you should say. Okay, so when you identify the action, say the action, the name of the action only, like walk, sing, run, all those things. Okay, now look at any noun which is moving. This is for your identification, understanding purpose. Okay, imagine a girl is walking in front of you, or a boy is walking in front of you, a dog is walking in front of you, any noun. Okay, and observe, ask yourself, what is that present action of that noun? So imagine it is walking, right? You can understand the thing is moving in front of you and we call that particular action walking. Okay, but the name of the action is walk. Name of the action is walk. What is happening in front of you? A noun is walking. Okay, now ask what is going on now. Again, you can ask yourself, walk action is going on. Which action is going on? Walk action is going on. And just again ask yourself, what is going on at this moment of time? Time. We use watch, clock, everything to know the present time. Okay, so what is happening in front of you? The noun girl walks in front of you. And ask yourself again, what action I see in front of me now? It is walk. So all these questions you ask yourself when you see a noun is moving in front of you and identify that action word and you just think of the action, name of the action only. Okay, so that action we got walk. Is it clear? Hope it is clear. So we see a girl walking and we say now. At present, the action I can see and that action is walk. In the same way, observe other actions and name them. They are present form of verb. Action now, going on today, now, which is in front of us, is called present form of verb. So action walk, which happens in front of you, is the present form of verb. Hope it is clear. Present, what you see in front of you, identify the action, that is a present form of verb. Okay. Now, after some time, you think of the same girl. Ask the question, where is the girl? Is she now walking in front of me? Can you see her now? The answer is no. We cannot see that girl going on in front of me now at this present moment. But she walked, right? She was there before in front of me, but she was walking before in front of me. The action walk which was there before is not visible at this time. Can you see the girl walking in front of you now? No, that is not there at all. But she walked. She was there before. So we know I saw a girl before walking in front of me. So what do we say? We say that that action is over and completed or finished. The girl was there before and now she is not there. So that action of walking is over and we say it move to the back. Show the hands towards back. Point your fingers towards back, which is no more visible in front of me. Say to yourself, it is not in front of me. It is over. The action is finished. Action is completed. She is not there in front of me. Such actions are called past actions and the verbs we use are called past form of verb. Past form of verb. The verb is going to the past. When the action is visible in front of you, you use present form of verb, and once the action is over and completed, we used past form of verb. So you have to use it. You have to use it. But when you see, you will be able to understand. But when you read or listen, you should know the change, what is going to happen to the past form of verb. First, when we see, we can understand. But when we read or listen, you should listen to these words, the change in the words happening. And first type is type 1 adding ed. Type 1 is adding ed to the present form of verb. So you can see the example here, present form of verb, what is happening now, and past form of verb, action over. That action gets over, change to walked. Play, played. Laugh, laughed. Wash, washed. Tuck, tucked. Finish, finished. Push, pushed. Open, opened. Work, worked. Pass, passed. Fail, failed. See, when you complete this action, you say, I walked, I played yesterday, I laughed with my friends, I washed my hands, I talked to my friends, I finished my homework, I pushed my sister, I opened the door, I worked hard, I passed in the examination, I failed in the examination. Like that, you have to say the actions which is over, which has already finished, which has already finished. Okay, so this is the way you have to learn. So what you can do is activity, read your textbook, and you have to read some storybooks and write the ed words, identify the ed words, and write in an A4 size sheet under the heading past form of verbs. Thank you.